Ever wondered what it's like to trade at lightning speed or profit from market moves within just minutes? Day trading and scalping are two of the most exciting ways to approach the market. But how do they work, and which one might be the right fit for you? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know from strategies to tools and what it takes to succeed. Let's dive into the world of day trading and scalping. What is day trading? Day trading is all about completing trades within a single trading session. No positions are carried over to the next day. Day traders aim to profit from intraday price movements in assets like stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies. For example, they might buy a stock early in the day and sell it just hours later as the price rises. Day traders rely heavily on technical analysis, using charts, indicators, and patterns to predict short-term trends. Strategies like momentum trading, where they follow strong price moves, or breakout trading, where they capitalize on price levels breaking through support or resistance, are common. The goal is to exploit volatility and make calculated decisions to secure profits. What is scalping? If day trading feels fast-paced, scalping takes it to another level. Scalping is a trading style focused on making small, frequent profits by holding positions for just seconds or minutes. Scalpers aim to profit from tiny price fluctuations, often executing dozens or even hundreds of trades as in a single day. Because timing is critical, scalpers often rely on advanced tools like high-speed trading platforms, tight spreads, and precise entry and exit strategies. They also monitor markets closely, looking for micro-trends or rapid movements caused by news events. Scalping demands exceptional focus, quick reflexes, and a disciplined approach to risk management. Key skills and tools for both. To succeed in day trading or scalping, you need specific skills and tools. First, you'll need to be decisive and disciplined. Hesitation can lead to losses. Second, technical analysis is your foundation. Understanding price charts, candlesticks, and key indicators like moving averages is essential. When it comes to tools, reliable trading platforms and fast internet connections are non-negotiable. Scalpers, in particular, need platforms with low latency and high execution speeds. Some even invest in advanced setups such as multiple screens or algorithmic trading bots to gain an edge. Advantages and challenges. Both day trading and scalping come with unique benefits. Day trading offers flexibility and the potential for quick profits without overnight risk. Scalping, on the other hand, lets you capitalize on even the smallest price movements, often with less exposure to extended market volatility. However, these styles aren't without challenges. Both require intense focus, and the stress of rapid decision-making can be overwhelming. Market volatility can lead to unexpected losses, and risk management is absolutely crucial to avoid wiping out gains. Who should consider these styles? Day trading and scalping aren't for everyone. If you enjoy analyzing charts, thrive under pressure, and can make decisions quickly, these styles might suit you. Day trading requires more time commitment as you'll be actively monitoring markets throughout the day. Scalping demands even more precision and discipline, making it ideal for those with experience and the ability to stay laser-focused. Tips for beginners. If you're new to day trading or scalping, start small. Use demo accounts to practice strategies without risking real money. Focus on one market at a time to avoid being overwhelmed. And above all, prioritize risk management. Never trade more than you can afford to lose. Both styles require time and patience to master, so don't rush the learning process. Study, practice, and refine your approach step by step. Conclusion. Day trading and scalping are exciting ways to engage with the market, but they demand preparation, discipline, and the right mindset. Whether you're drawn to the structured strategies of day trading or the high-speed action of scalping, success lies in learning, adapting, and staying consistent. If you're ready to explore these trading styles further, stick with us here on Trader Wall, your guide to mastering the art of trading. Thanks for watching. Day trading and scalping are all about precision, strategy, and discipline. If this video helped you understand these trading styles better, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with someone exploring trading. Subscribe to Trader Wall for more videos like this, where we simplify trading concepts and help you master the market. Until next time, stay focused and keep learning.